we read this book, please?
Shall we do?
Oh, right. This is a book called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle. For my sister, Krista. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. One Sunday morning, a warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for some food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. That night, he had a stomachache. Well, I should think so. It's a lot of food. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Now, he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house around himself called a cocoon. He stayed inside for almost 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and he was a beautiful butterfly! The end. It was a great story, kids. We'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye!